With all that completed, it's now time to install Mautic. So we're going to open a new tab and go to the subdomain that we created. And if you get this error, we need to downgrade our PHP version. So go back to the cPanel, scroll down to Multi-PHP Manager. We're going to select our subdomain, and we're going to downgrade it to 7.2. Hit apply. Once we get that success notification, we can go back to that tab and hit refresh, and it will bring up the Mautic installer. We can now click Next Step. It'll bring us to this database setup. So we're going to have to enter the database name and the database username that we created in the last section. So if you go back to the cPanel and then click MySQL Databases, we can copy what we created. And then the username and the password, and then Next Step.